Hello, how are you? I hope you are all fine. In today's video, we are going to talk about an 10 social media template that we created. So, in this template, uh, we put the schedule here trigger as an schedule, and the second node is Google Sheet. We will explore one by one all nodes, and you don't need to worry about all things. We will provide you the download link of this template so you can just easily import it. So let's start. The first one is just an schedule template that you can use here. Let me in this thing, and it's about like weeks, every week, every Sunday 10 a.m. triggering. Then the Google Sheet node, there's an Google credentials. First let me guide you about the credentials here. So let me put here the sticky note here. Okay, so what credentials you will be needed here? The first one is Google Sheet here. In the I will tell you according to this setup of Google Sheets, then Gemini API, and then Gmail credentials, and then the last is Facebook Graph API. The last one is LinkedIn API. Yeah, I think these are the things. Okay, so these credentials, there are total 1 2 3 4 5. There's total 4 credentials you have to set up, and one Google Sheet you will need to create, and in one Google Sheet you will create 2 tabs like sheet 1 sheet 2. Okay, so these are the credentials you will need in Google Sheets, Gemini API, Gmail, Facebook Graph API, LinkedIn API that we already set up. Now let me show you the workflow. It fetch get rows from the Google Sheet that we already set up here, and then there's an JS code here, JavaScript. You don't need to worry about anything, you don't need to write it. In the end of video you will get the downloadable link, so also in the description you can download this template easily. This is the Gemini API. There's a free version of Gemini 2.5 flash we are using here. So this is the prompt, you can improve it more, and this is the prompt like title on the rows, and then next we go here the Gmail. We added just for an approval purpose. You can remove that, so it will directly you can remove these, remove all these thing, remove, you can remove this one and this one too, and just move this and connect this one to this prepared content node, so it will be a simple node. We added just an approval, so we needed an approval. So this is the content, you can edit here, like which will be goes to the email, and then okay, so after that this is the complete workflow. Now we are here on the Gemini. This is the prompt complete here. This is the email function. You can change according to your settings, your requirements. So when it's approved is true, this is the if slash else node, and this is the merge node here, the prepared content Facebook node here, and feed message all settings are done. You don't need to have to do anything here, and you will just have to create credentials and select your credentials here like this. Okay, make sure to do that. Level 24 is not supported. Default. So create a post and make sure to create credentials for your LinkedIn account. Okay, and then all things will be done. Now let me show you an working example of this workflow. Do you know about that? How is it working? We click here and first let me check out the doc. Okay, this will be the sheet, and this is the rejected, and this is posted. This is, so it will don't pick this one, does not pick this one, it will pick the new one. You will have to write here new, so it able to pick. It will as a duplicate checker, like filter new topics. It will only filter the topics which has status new here. Okay, if you type here posted, it will not pick here. Like now it will pick this one. Okay, go back here and pick schedule one. It will run here. You can check it out. Let me show you here. It pick all three column, three rows, and the new one is this one. Okay, as you can see now, it filter here the new one. The filter only number 4 row, and the Gemini API generated the content. Get ready to supercharge your automation game. We are thrilled to announce that anytime within 2.0 is coming soon. And now it's waiting for the input, waiting for the input from the email here. So when it's waiting to execute, now I go to the email. This type of email you will receive, like disapprove or approve or dislike. Now let me go back. Now click here. Let me this. I just want to show you how it works. When you click here on approve, the webhook executed. So you can check it out. How's easy, how's it's fast, and in just 1 minute 20 or 17 seconds it posted to both LinkedIn and Facebook page. Now let me go here to show you. In Facebook it's not comes here. Check it out the LinkedIn. Okay, here you can check it out. Get ready to supercharge your automation game. We are thrilled to announce. Then check it out. The post is on LinkedIn. This is very simple, and now let me if we run again, it will not work because in the sheet there is no data. Okay, here you can see the status changed, the content generated comes here, posted at times and dates, and status error log, no error, so there's no error. If we if the workflow has any error, it will be logged in here. And like here, rejecting final, there is an error, we just remove that. Okay, it's posted, but we typed it manually. If we type here new, now if we run it here, execute, now you will see here it will pick this the, uh, the service is receiving too many requests. Okay, and there is an element in the free version of the API. That's why there's Here you can check it out the new ChatGPT 5.1 Pro number 3. Here you can check it out. We change the status to the new, it fetch this one. Okay, if you change the status this so to new, it will also fetch this, but first it will fetch this one and then accordingly this below. Okay, it's an easy to social media posting that will do every time in daily. You can schedule here, or you can also create a manual trigger here, like this one, manual trigger. The connect is triggered to this one here. So our manual trigger created here. When manual trigger runs, when we click here, it will start the workflow like for this. So this is a simple social media auto posting workflow. You will find the link below in the description. So for you how to download the workflow. You will need an account on the website to download, maybe to be there. I don't remember that yet, but if you don't able to see this button, you will need to log in or register here. I already logged in here, and when you click here download now, download here, it will download the template to your in the end. As saw, I will give you a quick, just copy this paste and copy the code, and you can directly paste it here. Let me open a blank workflow words and dark. Now let's expose. Here you can check it out. My workflow is empty. I click, press the buttons Control plus V, and here you can check it out the workflow from here. You can also Control A and Control C. You can also copy the workflow here, like now. Here you can check it out. This is the blank text. Now let me have Control A, Control C, copy it to the keyboard, and here Control E. Here you can check it out, copy it out the code. So this is an easy way doing of the importing the work. You can also import on the file, like click on it, choose the file, and it will be imported. Okay, so this is a simple video about how you can create an social media auto posting template in the N8N. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, you are not able to get any API, any credentials like from the Gmail, Google Sheets, Facebook, or LinkedIn, Gemini API is very easy. Let me show you once so you are able to do it. You have to go to aistudio.google.com. Let me show you the link here. You are able to do it easily. This is the link where you have to go and sign up to the Google, and then you will come here and click on home, the chat with model, get API key here, click on get API key here, then you can check it out APIs. You can create a new one, and you click here, it will be API key, copy that API key, and you can do project. Okay, so don't copy just my API key, because it will not work. It will work, but sometimes most I don't use API key, so you can use it easily. And the LinkedIn post is done. I don't know why it's appearing the Facebook here. Mm, mm, it's a bit not appearing here. This issue here. I will check it out and then fix it. Check it out right now. Let's expose the scan. Okay. And here we have hit the request API limitation from the model. Generate free limit 20 model Gemini by retry in 10 seconds. Okay, they're asking us to wait for the 10 seconds now. You can also go to the link direct. Let me show you the link of the workflow where you have to download the work. This is the link. You are able to type it, or you can pause, get the link in the description also of this video. Don't use too many requests. You are able to see there are issues coming right now from the API. As we are just testing, so that's why our limits are exceeded. So if you post like daily 5 posts on Facebook and LinkedIn, there will be no limit. You can use that easily. Make sure to edit the prompts here in the Gemini and other codes. It will be generate a content according to your requirements, other things. Okay, make sure you can do here system messaging, like you are a helpful assistant in writing social media posts and more things. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions or any issues like getting credentials, just comment below. I will create an dedicated videos in every API key, like getting how to get the credentials for these, like client ID, client secret, where to put this callback URL, and how, so, and how to connect your Gmail, and like there you will also need client ID and client secret and OAuth root redirect you, because it in the Gemini you will just need the API key. Just put here, like here, you put the API key here. No need to change here anything. In the Facebook Graph API, this is the most difficult part, so I will try to create a dedicated video on it. We are easily able to get the API of Facebook Graph API, as this is very tricky to get the API from Facebook Graph. So the LinkedIn one is easy, you can get it. Client ID, client secrets, auth interactive, connected, all okay. In Google Sheets, there in these nodes, same Google account will be posted. Okay? And on next, let me show you Google Sheet again. So there is only one sheet here, and this is the sheet. This is like ID, title, status, content generated, posted ads, FB status, analyze status, error log. Make sure to create this first header row exactly as it is. If you type any wrong wording here, like anything changed here, the workflow will not work. You will have to edit code here so it work if you change the some spelling. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.